I'm not saying I'm going to rule the world or I'm going to change the world, but I guarantee that I will spark the brain that will change the world. And that's our job, is to spark somebody else watching us. We might not be the ones, but let's not be selfish, and because we're not going to change the world, let's not talk about how we should change it. I don't know how to change it, but I know if I keep talking about how dirty it is out here, somebody going to clean it up.
You too. What's up with y'all? We here again with another video. Today I got a hot taper for y'all, and you already know what we do when we first start the video. We calm everything down, we prep it, we get it ready for the haircut. Now let's lock in, let's get to it. Now with our 1C is with our 1 guard on, we're gonna take everything down to about that length right there. So we getting everything ready and prepped down so we can make our guidelines, so we can be able to see our guidelines, and so we can get the hair at the desired length that we want. This process right here gonna make your haircut look way more cleaner, make everything more smoother, you know. It's just gonna get that real good final product that you want. And if y'all didn't know, I was real excited to make this video. This man right here, he was the number one. He had the number 1 rushing yards in the nation when he was in high school. He played for Gulf Coast right now. If y'all want to look him up on Instagram and watch his highlights or whatever, his Instagram name is Backdoor Cam or Cameron _601. Now right here, you already know we putting in the first guidelines on the nape area, on the back of the neck, and on the sides by the temple, and it's gonna be our first initial guideline with our low pros. Right here with our wall seams, with our lever all the way open, we're gonna create our second initial guideline. I'm hoping y'all enjoying the beat as much as I am. If you would, go smash the like button so this video could get pushed out to everybody. And look, y'all want to take the opportunities when they have these high school players or these college players that won't come get their haircut. Take it. You don't never know what none of these players gonna end up at. You don't never know where their career is gonna take them at. Look, now what we're doing right now is fading everything between the first and second guideline that we set in, making sure everything is smooth and it is a clear pattern from light to dark, or dark to light if you're fading down. Now we're gonna keep notching the lever all the way from open to close. That's what I'm showing y'all right now. A 4-click lever system built inside your head because the wall seams do not have a lever system. And look, it's a good day to be positive, you know. Every day is a good day. No day is a bad day. Every day is a good day. As long as you're well and breathing, every day is a good day. It's a blessing. It's a blessing just to be alive. And if y'all having a bad day or something going bad in your life, remember, hard times don't last, but strong people do. You know, when you look at problems in life, how I look at it, you know, it's really just building character with inside yourself so you can get to that next level. It's really building, like if I'm going through something, all these hard times, the things that's going on in your life, it's really just building you. It's more than me into the man that I'm supposed to be so I can reach that next level. If I wanted to go from 100K this year to $1 million next year, all the problems within that year is gonna be more than me to get me to that next level. And so yeah, that's how you gotta look at it. Now with our wall seams, with our lever open, we're gonna make our third initial guideline. Now remember, the lever gonna be all the way open. Now we send in about a 1/2 inch or maybe an inch. It all depends if you want your fades compressed or your tapers compressed or maybe stretched. So to have a stretched look on your taper or on your fades, you want to have bigger guidelines. You want to make it more than a 1/2 inch or maybe an inch. If you want to more compressed, you want to do like little bitty tiny guidelines in width, so you keep it all together or keep it close to each other. Now right here we're taking our 1/16 guard, and then we just working out all that bulk on top of the 1 guard. And that's just prepping us, getting us ready for our fading down system that we have installed. Now with our 1 guard in the 3/4 position, we're going to take out that 3rd guideline that we set in with our 1 guard lever all the way open. Now all we're doing right here is brushing and fading, brushing and flicking, literally using only 2 teeth of our blade. We're going to come here and handle our business and come here what we came into doing. We're going to make that fade blurry. We're going to make it as smooth as possible. That's what we're trying to make our end goal right here. And for y'all that don't know, that's what HYB stand for handle your business. Handle your business. And man, if y'all want to know where the name came from, before my dad passed, well really, it was like 3 years ago, he always used to tell me, son, handle your business, handle your business, handle your business. Son, go out there, get a job, handle your business, try to get you ahead in life. And you know, it really didn't make sense till like later in life. He used to tell me, son, they got 2 different types of people in life. They got the BS's and they got the go-getters. And then he'll ask me, which one are you? And you know, it just handle your business. You just, you know, whatever goal or task in front of you, whatever you find difficult or anything, whatever task is in front of you, we just set out to handle our business, to get the job done by any means. Now right here, I showed y'all the close-up of what I'm doing with my 1 guard. It was just a more in-depth view of what I was doing. Now we're gonna take our smallest guard and we're just gonna flick at that bottom line that we had set in with our trimmers. It's a lot that come with goals in life. You got things that's gonna knock you back. You got things that's gonna try to hold you back. But you just gotta go in. If you ain't going in with a vision or a dream or with some type of motivation, you're gonna be unmotivated. You're not gonna complete your task. So you just gotta keep trying. No matter what happens, you just gotta keep trying. You gotta keep going. And that's how people really make it for real. I'm still on my journey. I'm still on my course, trying to get where I need to go. And that's what we're going to keep doing till we get there. We're just going to keep working hard. Now right here, we're going to come in with our wall seams and use our rake technique. If you haven't learned how to use the rake technique yet, I do have previous videos with tutorials on how to do this process. You just don't want to do this process because they do have a right and wrong way, and doing it the wrong way, ain't no coming back from it. The hair going to completely be gone. Now we're going to set in our lineup in the nape area towards the neck and above the ear. And man, this is probably the most cleanest part of the haircut, setting that neckline up. It really brings the taper in the nape area together. And as y'all can see from this angle, man, that taper came out like butter. Came out smooth, you know. I put in a lot of work to make my tapers look like that. I couldn't do tapers at first, so I took like a whole month just learning straight tapers. Not saying that I didn't do any other haircuts, but when the taper came in, or if somebody asked for a taper or wanted a taper, I'll take more of a longer time than usual. A 30-minute haircut with a taper, it'll probably take like an hour, a good hour, just to get everything correct for that vision that I wanted. And then I started proceeding, like moving faster and everything. When you learn it, man, just take your time at first. You want to take your time, get all your steps right, get it how you want it to look first, and then apply quickness and speed to the next result. As the next result. You just want to take your time, cause you don't want no young dude coming in there like me. You 40, 30 years old, and now young dude. Tapers look better than yours, cause you ain't take your time. You trying to use that for the money. You ain't got no passion for it. You ain't there for the money. So now you behind. Your tapers don't look as crispy, don't look as smooth. So yeah, y'all take your time, learn y'all steps, learn y'all process and what y'all want to do and how y'all want y'all tapers to look. Everybody got a different end goal. Everybody go for a different finish. And yeah, once you find that out, just take your time and then apply speed behind it. Now right here, we're gonna take our wall seams with the lever all the way open, creating our second guideline on the side taper by the temple area. Now right here, it's the same exact process as the back taper. It's the same exact process. And man, I'm trying to push to be the best on YouTube. It's gonna take a while, depending on what y'all think. I might already be the best, but who knows? I know I don't have a big platform yet, but we're gonna get there. We're gonna get everybody on the HYB train, the handle your business train. Now right here we taking our one guard with our lever all the way open, and we setting that third initial guideline. Same thing as the nape area, with a back taper on the neck part. And I know they got a lot of good channels out there, but I'm not here for the laughter and the playing around. I'm here to get straight to business. We're gonna get straight to business. Our haircut's gonna look professional and up to par. I'm not here to do like little corny videos and stuff like that. We just gonna get to it. I'm gonna show y'all what I know, and hopefully y'all could come out with finished products like mine, cause that's why y'all here. Obviously, y'all wanna know how to get your haircuts exactly like this. Or y'all wanna know steps that will help you and will get there faster to that next level. Now right here we took our 1/16 guard and we cleaned up all that bow. Now we're gonna take our one guard in the 3/4 position like we did on the nape area, and we're gonna start flicking and brushing, taking out that third initial guideline that we set in with our one guard with our lever all the way open. And we're just making a transition from dark to light smooth as we're working down on our fade down process. And the reason why we clear up all the bulk for informational wise is, you know, when people got dreads, man, I know y'all dreadheads, y'all like y'all dreads to hang. Every time y'all get a haircut, y'all wanna feel like y'all dreads got longer. And clearing up that bulk for dread heads or people with curls that hang down, man, it's gonna make them feel like they got length, like real length. Make your dreads look longer. You could see your increase in your length and your progress when you cut the bulk down. And that's what we want. Now with our half guard, we're just notching at that first guideline that we had set in. Now I did it like a little speed run on the other side. What we did to one side, we do to the other. And y'all, I literally felt like I'm placed here to motivate people. You know, cause coming up, I always like to see inspiration videos and people talk about how their lives change from working harder, or maybe something happened and made their life change, or maybe an instance in their life. They like, you know what? I'm about to start doing this. I'm not about to be the old me. I'm about to be the new me, so I can change and get to the next level. You know, and that's what I want people to realize, man. With this as being a barber, I want people to realize from my background that you could literally come from not having much and just be that somebody that you want to be. Or maybe you don't want to be in the spotlight and everything. You just want the money. You just want to be able to take care of your family, go on trips and do all this other stuff. Maybe you want a big house, nice cars or whatever. I'm here. I want to be living proof of that. So we're gonna see in about a year where my life at, or what this page at, or 2 years, however long it take. I'm down for the wait. I'm down to be patient. Patience is all it take. You know, sometimes I be unmotivated, but you know, in 5 months I went from 200 subscribers. Now I got 600. Just from the past 2 days, I gained 50-some subscribers. That's a blessing. I don't know how it happened, but that's a blessing. Certain things happen, and it just happened. Too many coincidences in life not to believe in God, man. Too many so-called coincidences in life happen for us not to believe in God. But right here, we're going to work with our lineup, with our babeless clippers. But right here, I got the DLC blade on there. This the blade that come with the low pros. I kind of switched and switched the blades. And you know your line is hitting when they got the ash line already there. I do have holding spray on there, but they hitting, as y'all can see. Now for the lineup, you want to start in the middle and then work your way over to the weakest side. The weakest side is the side with least hair. Because if you line up the strong side first and try to move to the weak side, evidently the strong side is way more down than the weak side. So start with the weak side and then match the strong side with the weak side. And that's our method. Now we're gonna work on our vertical bars, just slightly turning the clipper a little bit and just working on our vertical bars. If our client, he do like to keep his sideburns, and that's what I'm doing right now, lining up his sideburns. And I did fade the top of his sideburns, same process as we do with the taper. It's like a small taper for beards or sideburns, you know, ECT. Now we're gonna add our enhancements. I do use Kiss Express, as y'all know from our previous videos, but if you're new, I use a mixture of black and brown. I'm starting to use a mixture of something else. I'm gonna let y'all know once I make another video how that's working out. But all we're doing is light taps, just light taps. You don't wanna add too much. You wanna, for me, I like for my enhancements to look as natural as possible. And that's the goal that I'm trying to achieve, to have an enhanced look and make it look as natural as possible. It's always the rough looking clients who leave with the best outcome. And as you can see, HYB, we locked in, which means we handled our business. If you haven't already, make sure you like the video, make sure you leave a comment, let me know what you thought about the video. And if you haven't already, turn on the post notification bell, and if you're new, make sure y'all subscribe, and we out.